Today we are going to have a look at the line diagram and schematic drawings in SOLIDWORKS Electrical. SOLIDWORKS Electrical application is open. Let's go to the File tab and click Project Manager. Let's create a new project. I choose IEC Standard and I select English language. We start inserting the project properties. In the title box, I type Getting Started. I copy the title to the description. Click OK. The software is creating all the necessary files for our project. Once the project is open, if we expand the document book, we can notice there are several documents created. Cover page shows the project title. Drawing list is a report drawing and shows the drawing index. Each drawing name has an hyperlink. Clicking on the blue number, we open the relative document. Line diagram shows a simplified overview of the project. Schematic contains sequence information. We are going to start with a line diagram drawing. Opening this file brings up on the ribbon menu a new tab, Line Diagram. We are going to use the command contained in this tab to create our line diagram. So we are going to insert a symbol. Click Insert Symbol on the left side and then add a symbol to open the symbol selector. The Filter and the Classification tabs help to refine the results. In Classification, in Button and Switches folder, we can pick Push Button. Highlight it and click Select. We place it into the drawing. In the Symbol Properties tab, we can change the properties or we can populate the missing fields. In Manufacture Part and Sequence tab, we can search for our manufacture part. I click Search and in our library we need to find our push button. Again, use Filters tab to refine the results. Type the reference number if you already know it. Make sure Automatic Refresh is ticked. It updates automatically the results. Once found the part, add it in the box below and click Select. The part has been added. Click OK to create a new component associated to our symbol. The symbol attributes are populated with the information just inserted. We carry on inserting other symbols. Next one will be the contactor relay. We search for the contactor relay and we place on the drawing. We click OK to Properties, and for the moment we don't search the manufactured part. Then we search for the terminal strip. The motor, and the circuit breaker. We draw a cable between S1 and X1, between K1 and X1, and so on as the drawing shows. Let's go to the schematic drawing. The schematic tab will appear on the ribbon. Click Draw Multiple Wire. On the left side panel, we can select several wire styles and we can tick which wire we want to make available. In the drawing area, with the first click, we insert the wires. With the second click, we define the length. To stop drawing, we can hit Escape or Enter on the keyboard. We can either press the right mouse button or simply the green tick. Click Draw Multiple Wire again. This time untick the neutral wire. click on the phase 1. The black segment that appeared indicates where the wires are going to be placed, left or right side. Move the mouse to the right and left click to confirm. Draw the wires to the bottom of the page. In the schematic tab, click Insert Symbol. Remove the default filters first and then refine the search through the left panel. The most common filters are the class, description, and obviously the symbol name. I type the symbol name, select the symbol and place it on the drawing. We want to associate this symbol to an existing component, so in the symbol properties we select the existing component Q1 and click OK. We can drag the symbol off and we can place it back just dragging a black 2D line. We now want to insert a contactor relay, so we browse for the symbol and we are going to place it below Q1. Again, we are going to associate to an existing component, select K1 and click OK. To insert the terminal strips, we use a specific tool which is located in the schematic tab. Click Insert End Terminals. Draw a horizontal line across the wires. The terminals will be created on the intersection points. Next click is to determine the terminal orientation. In the terminal properties, select X1 and click OK all terminals. We insert the motor symbol now. Browse for the symbol and place on top of the wires. I select my motor component and click OK. We can notice the wires have been cut. In this video we saw how to insert line diagram and schematic symbols and how to draw cables and wires. Please get in touch if you would like more information. Thank you for watching.